Okay, so I'm gonna do a short video to test the rear rack's battery here before we ship out to you. So as you can see, we have a few of them, and we select the best one, which is this one. Have a port for the accessory at the back here to ship out for you. And we're gonna use the rear rack battery here to plug it in, and we have the motor on the stand and plug it in and check with the console here to make sure it works. All right, so I'm gonna place the camera and use two hands. As you can see here, I'm gonna flip the battery upside down so that you can see how it's loading. So basically, this rear rack here, when you slide in the battery, it go from the back to the front. Make sure you push it all the way and net it. Okay, you should you should flash it like this when you slide the battery in, so it contact the connection here. And of course, you need to push the lock to secure the battery inside the bike. And this here is the connection that we're gonna hook up to the motor. So I'm gonna plug it in now. As you can see, we plug in the battery power, and then the port at the back here, which is over here, as you can see here, it need to connect to the console. So you have one port that need to plug here and hook up to your console, which is the console is here. So I plug it up, and this is your throttle, and this is the G2 console. So right now everything look like it's already plugged in, installed. So we need to do a quick run test, which is power up the console. As you can see, it's a little bit dark here, but it's power on already. So we're gonna spin the motor a little bit to activate, and then use the throttle to run it. I'm gonna turn on the light at the background here so that it will see a bit better. Press and hold. Yeah, the light is on. As you can see, the battery light is on. The background of the G2 console is on. So I'm gonna start to spin it to make sure it works. See? So right now the motor running, it's working. Okay, so that's it. So power off, and of course gonna unplug everything, unplug from the motor. And remember, if you want to take the battery out, unlock the battery, the push lock here out first, and then of course you're gonna slide the battery out from the rack, which is like this. Now it's out. So this is it. Okay, we're gonna ship this one out for you. Okay, bye bye.